Can you introduce yourself in English? If someone asks you this question, that tell me about yourself in English, you suddenly get stuck, your mind goes blank, and you feel frustrated or think that you can't speak English, then don't worry. In this video, I will describe in a simple way how you can introduce yourself in English. So, whether you are a school going, college going person, or when you talk to a stranger, you can easily introduce yourself in a simple way. So, let's see how you can introduce yourself in English. So, friend, first of all, stop making this common mistake. The mistake is memorizing long self introduction. So, beginner make this biggest mistake that they memorize long self introduction. Even I used to memorize this self introduction. So stop making this, and instead of this, just focus on greeting, your name, and your place, what you do, and your interest, your and a polite ending. So here I will give you an example. My example, I will tell you my self introduction so that it will be easy for you to understand. So let's see. Hi, I'm Kavya. I'm from Chhattisgarh. I'm an English language learner. I create video to help beginners. In my free time, I read books, I listen to music, I watch videos, and I practice English. And if I talk about my goals, then I want to speak fluent English and help thousands of people to improve their English. So nice to talking to you. So see, I didn't use advanced vocabulary. It was a very simple introduction I have given. So exactly you have to do is, and even you can sound more natural instead of saying myself or this is me, and instead of saying my hobbies are, say in my free time. It sounds more natural. Otherwise you can also speak those words, those sentences. So, and if you don't have confident while speaking, while giving your introduction, so see, confidence will not come automatically. It will come when you practice every day. So start practicing every day, and you will definitely feel confident, because I feel in myself that when I don't speak for 4 days, 5 days, then I feel that I don't know English, and I feel underconfident. But when I practice every day, then I feel that I have enough confidence to speak English. I know English. So confidence will not come automatically. Just practice every single day, and remember, nobody will judge your English. What is your level? They will they will see that you are able to make them understand or not, right? So this was the simple self introduction. So it's your turn to give write down your introduction, or you can even speak in front of mirror. So just focus on these things. First, greeting, your name, place, what you do, your interest, your goal, and a polite ending. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is our yard, and we have grown so many vegetables like um, ladyfinger, beetle gourd, and cucumber, and we have also grown turmeric plants, so they are growing. And see, my parents, they are uprooting the woods, I mean unwanted plants. So, and the sun is out, and weather is also up bright. It's a sunny day, and yesterday it was raining. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll meet in the next